There is a quiet strength within you, a steady, powerful energy. The part of you that knows who you are and trusts your place in this world. But sometimes that energy can become dim. And when it does, you may feel disconnected from your inner power. In this meditation, we gently reconnect to that strength, activating, clearing, and balancing your solar plexus chakra. Before we begin, the solar plexus chakra is located in the upper abdomen. This energy center is connected to your confidence, personal power, and sense of self. It influences how you show up in this world, how you make decisions, and how you trust yourself. When this chakra is balanced, you feel steady, capable, and self-assured. Today, we simply allow this energy center to return to its natural state of balance. So I invite you to find a comfortable position and allow your body to relax. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly. Again, inhale deeply and exhale, letting your body soften. Bring your awareness into your body. Notice your breath moving through your chest and stomach. Allow your shoulders to relax, your jaw to soften. Let your body feel supported, steady. Now, bring your awareness to your upper abdomen. Visualize a warm, glowing, golden light, radiant, steady, and strong. With each inhale, this light expands. With each exhale, it becomes brighter, clearer. Imagine this light like a gentle flame, steady, calm, and unwavering. This is your inner power, always present. There is nothing to force, only to reconnect. Now, imagine a soft flowing energy moving through your solar plexus chakra. Gently clearing away anything that feels heavy. Any resistance, any doubt. There is nothing to fix. Just allow this energy to move. As it flows, your solar plexus becomes balanced, open, and aligned. Gently repeat if it feels right. I trust myself. I am strong. I stand in my power. Rest here for a few moments, feeling the warmth, the steadiness within you. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Gently move your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. This was part 3 of the Chakra Healing Series. You can return to this practice anytime to reconnect with your inner strength and personal energy. And when you're ready, continue to part 4, where we'll be working with the heart chakra. Subscribe for the full series and ongoing Reiki and meditation practices.